guys, welcome to another video. So today I have got Gucci in for a new full set. I'm going to be trying out this pine polygel what Aggie sent me. As you can see, I've already started out by applying 3 of the tips. I'm going to apply this one on camera so I can show you how I do that. So I'm using the Liaboe base coat. I'm just applying a teeny tiny bit of that into that well, making sure I get them wings. Turn my little lamp on ready, pop that where I want it, like that, and cure it. Once it's starting to cure and hold, I'm just going to hold them wings in because you don't want them sticking out. Just like that. And that's it. All done. Tip stuck down. I absolutely love this lamp, guys. I don't know how I've managed all this time without this lamp, to be honest. It is a brilliant bit of kit. And it was so cheap as well. It was less than £2. So now I'm just going to cut that tip down to the same length as the others. Like that. Then I'm just going to get rid of these wings and just blend that tip into the natural nail. Now when I'm doing this, guys, I'm not touching that natural nail at all. I'm literally just skipping over that tip. And that is them all ready to go. So I'm giving them all a coat of this Liaboe base coat. Now this is where, if I was doing this on a real person, I'd go in, before this base coat, I would go in with my dehydrator and my primer. But I'm going to skip that step, obviously, because this is not a natural hand. So like I said at the beginning, I'm going to be giving this pine polygel a try. This is number 3 nude pink, and I'm going to be doing a nail bed on all 4 nails. So I'll probably just show you me doing 1 or 2, and then I'll do the rest off camera. I think I'm going to put another bead on there, so I'm going to give that a cure, and then I'm going to go in with another bead, you know, just to build that apex up. Give that a cure. Make sure I put enough on this time. I don't like doing it in 2 beads. I can never get that second bead to blend well with the first one. So yeah, I need to try and start making sure I put enough product on. So that's them all cured. I'm going to get rid of that tacky layer now with some isopropyl alcohol. Now I'm going in with the Pine White Polygel. Give that a cure quickly. Now I'm going in with the Liaboe colour 015. And before I cure those, I'm just going to add some of this gorgeous glitter into a couple of the tips. So I'm going to give those a cure. So now I'm going in with the Pine Clear Polygel. I'm going to get these encapsulated. Let's take a look and see what this clear's like, shall we? Right guys, as you can see, I've already filed those two off camera. Now I'm going to show you me filing one of these on camera because I love to see all this disappear and become a really nice shape. So I'm going to leave the filing in on this pinky and show you my filing routine. So I'm using my metal nail file. I'm going to go sides first. Now this side. Look how crisp that's looking. Hee hee. Looking so crisp. And then I'll just go over the top and join the two together. So now I'm going to switch over to my 180 grit file. Skip around that cuticle. Right, so now I'm going in with the Liaboe top coat. So now I'm using the Full Beauty Gem Glue. And we're going to apply some crystals. And that is them all finished. What do you think, guys? As you can see off camera, I've just added these gold caviar beads and this metal slice, and make it look like a chain with a pendant on the end. I really, really like them. In fact, I love them. I love the colour. I love the glitter that goes with the colour really well. I love the shape. I just really wish I'd done them on my nails now. Everything that I've used today I shall leave listed in my description box below, along with any discount codes that I may have. And that's everything for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell, that way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And I hope to see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.